Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Asabi and I'm going to present my project which is about aircraft electric green taxiing system with intelligent rear view camera. I will make quick review about the product. This system is about a motor that installed in the main wheels of the airplanes and gives that motor can move the airplane from back from the gate and through the taxiway until the runway by using the motor power and keeps the engine shut. So this product will give us the chance to avoid using the pushback procedure and avoid the accident that might happen from that procedure. Also keep the workers away from the dangerous areas such as the engine intakes. Product improvement, which is the rear view camera that allows the cockpit crew to see behind them if there's any objects or trucks or people walking behind them. So now I'm going to speak about the cost of the cost aspect. So the electric green taxiing system is using an electrical power generated by the airplane itself. So many people arguing that the system is going to add weight to the airplane, which is considered odd in the aviation market. However, the system is going to reduce the operation cost by cutting the airport service fees and the taxes. Also will reduce the risks of pushback trucks accident. So now I'm going to use the Southwest Airlines as an example and to see how many the companies how many the pushback costs the company. So we're going to use just Boeing 737 as an example because Southwest Airlines has more than 700 Boeing 737 in their fleet. So the Southwest operates 737 8 hours from 5 to 8 hours per day. So these 8 hours the airplane can do at least 2 flights. So the two flights need 4 times pushback. Now we are going to see how much that 4 flights will cost the company. So the amount of the pushback surface costs just per one is $120 per one pushback. So 4 pushbacks are going to cost 120 20 multiply 4 equal $480. This is just one aircraft and 2 flights. If we apply the calculation to the whole fleet, the airline has 2300 flights on average. So if we consider just 2000 flights are requiring a pushback, that would be 2000 flight multiply $120 equal 240,000 per day. So this amount of money is huge amount of money, is big. So I think the motor will the electrical motor will reduce the amount of money per day. Also has another features and advantages as long as the engines kept shut down until reaching the runway, so there is no noise and emission fees. Also the engines reducing the engines hours that will extend the time for visiting engine shops. A financial aspect, this project needs 1 million fund at the beginning. So we'll try to use also the Southwest Airlines as a customer to calculate the revenues for the project. Just we are going to use just one company. The expected cost to installation and the test will be $8,000. So the Southwest Airlines fleet consisted of 715 airplanes. The total amount will be 8,000 multiplied 715 equals 5,720,000. So if we calculate the future value for the upcoming 4 years, it will give us 7 million. So I'm pretty sure this project will be successful as long as we are using a green system, and most of the companies now aware of the climate change, and most of them would like to go green and find something good. Also the system, the electric taxing system with the rear view camera will give them the opportunity to avoid many accidents, and also to avoid paying fees and other surface operations. So the advantages: reduce fuel consumption, reduce gas emissions, reduce foreign objects, damage for the engines, reduce ground operation time, reduce aircraft repositioning fees, and a safety improvement by reducing the engine's ingestion, jet blast, also reduce the engine's noise. So here's the advantages of the system, and I'm sure also the amount of money that will come, the companies that will save is good enough for them, and also our project will be successful if we get that amount of money, and we use just one company and one type of the airplanes. So we can see this is obviously will be successful. I hope the project you like the project and help me to fund it, and thank you so much.